just put in here on the San Marcos River, put in at Lions Club. We're headed down to Staples Dam, staying the night at Shady Grove campsite. So we're doing 11 miles today and then 5 miles tomorrow. Cruising around Turtle and Jason again, the river crew. Hopefully we get onto some fish. We'll see how it goes. It's been a while since I've been on the San Marcos. They're really letting this rice grow up. It's crazy. Should be good times. Hopefully we get on some fish. That went not smooth at all. Now I'm wet. See if I can keep from bouncing off the rock again. Nice. First fish of the day. Not too shabby. It'll work. Got him on the swim bait. We're all sitting at 1. Cool beans. I'm going about maybe mile and a half. Oh, surfing those waves. Shoo! This river after the Devil's River just doesn't seem like a challenge. Get skinny. Oh shit, yeah. That was almost real bad. Dude, that was crazy. Like a vine? Yeah, that was sketchy. You better get straight. We don't want people to be swimming already. Oh, we're finally almost out of the city. And once we get out here, it's nothing but ranch land, and we probably won't see anyone. Nice. Hell yeah.
That's a river fish.
Dude, river fish are wild, man. When I caught that smallmouth on the Devils that first year, I could have sworn that was gonna be a 5-pound fish, man. Like, fish number 2, finally. All the way down here and next to Cummings Dam. Finally got a second one. Swim bait again. Right up underneath the trees. Seems like the closer you can get to the bank, underneath all this crap is the better spot. Jason with the hookup. Show off that big bad boy. Woo! Right in front of Texas State Tubes. There are fish here when there's not people here. Oh, it's been a good day on the San Marcos. Couple fish, not a lot. A lot of paddling, a lot of good times. Oh no. Go left. Bump into me. Knock me out of here. Come on, Roger. You're supposed to get me out of here. Oh, why am I stuck like Chuck? Oh, I'm super stuck.
Alright, later. Here, grab my paddle.
Oh, wow. Taking you live to Jason's Riverside camp recipes. We're going with the Frito pie this afternoon. Freshly chopped jalapenos and onions, of course.
Ooh-wee, make your tongue slap your brains out. Turtleneck.
Ooh-wee.
Farm style. Don't kill a moose.
Got the old tent set up. Oh, beginning of day 2. Back on the water. Hopefully I'll catch some more fish today. That looks fishy. Oh.
But I don't know what this is. Hang on, I'm gonna cut whatever this is.
My bad. I'm fucking it all up.
That's not my line.
It's not?
Yes, it is.
Oh, I cut it! Oh no, turtle!
There goes my fish.
I was wondering, I saw the fish swim off. I was like, where's he going?
I thought it was hooked on another line.
Whatever, don't let him tell him.
That was weird. I had a lot of line out.
He was like,
So sorry.
he's like, Roger's not catching this fish. I'm chopping it.
Sorry.
That was funny.
That was a weird situation.
Hold on, I'll help you out.
How much line did you have?
Barely, it tried to push me into it.
Nice.
I'm about to go down backwards. This looks super shallow.